Alright, for Fisherman, another personal. This is 2011 limited. And some nice luck on that last 2011 box. Good luck to you again. And so this was a personal, guys. And it looks like we'll be box scoring again here in just a moment after this one. Alright, Fisherman, good luck. Here's your personal box on 2011 limited. Dallas Clark, Frank Gore, Sam Huff, Patrick Peterson, Phenoms rookie. Alright, Packer Bob. We'll go back to that in a sec. Charlie Joyner, legend. $40 of 50 on the Joyner. I'll get your numbers here in a sec. Von Miller draft day. Next up, got something prime. DeMarcus Ware. A little prime patch there for the Cowboys. Redemption. Material Phenoms, another redemption. Material Phenoms rookie number 213. I think we pulled that earlier, actually. 213. I'll double check in a minute. Alright, DeMarcus Ware, 7 of 50. That. Von Miller. 60 of 100. Yeah, it's going to be a little tough to top that last box you had. $8 of 50 on the Joyner. Patrick Peterson, $4.99. Well, it's the base, $4.99. Sam Huff, also base, $3.85 of $4.99. Frank Gore, base, $4.17 of $4.99. Dallas Clark, base, $4.57 of $4.99. And Redemption 213. I think we had this earlier, I'm not sure. Oh, no, we didn't actually. Not as good as your Ray Rice redemption, but it's going to be Ryan Williams. There we go. 213, Ryan Williams. Material Phenoms. Alright, Fisherman, thank you very much. Yeah, not as good as your last box, man, sorry. But thank you.